Wamali badang shusha jit thamai na sayang constituency ba Synshar roi kupaling dot haba ulong haba kipat ba klajit una kabanta banyeng na kate constituency banyasa po assembly an pendap hogya ka jong kanong rembo yang kum unong thawaan ambal chulet ben shang hapo assembly ba Synshar long kathamai jong kayeng kasam umahe kipat ba kilai lat biang menta bat kumba umahe pam kwai hadwaru play ulalong u jingshakri bun snem constituency badia kajela kum taul ong bo on buat ila dienjat jong kini ban sdang hikam jong kini jong u
for Roy Lingdot Haba have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Si walang kapang mo. Nang nis amat sdang like what I've said, starts a new era. So your constituency, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state.
What do you, new era in what sense you can explain?
I didn't get you.
A new era in what sense?
New era means a new MLA of Soyo constituency starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Thank you.
You said earlier that you will be a lawmaker beyond the legislative task. So tell us what way.
I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly.
There's a lot of unaccomplished work of your...
Starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero. Thank you.